What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today we're going to talk about how to buy crypto. And if the video is not long enough, I might even tell you guys how to sell it. Okay, it's basically the same thing as Forex. It's a very easy, nothing complicated, nothing out of the blue, nothing rocket science. It's just very simple. Okay, so just pay attention, watch this video as many times as you want. It's always going to be here, always going to be free to watch. So please do not rush it. Do not rush into buying and selling. Okay, and also I'm not a financial advisor. I do not have a license. Please do not take this video or any other video on this channel, including the live streams or whatever, as financial advice. Okay, please do your own research. I'm not responsible for your actions or decisions. Having said that, I'm gonna use the platform called Binance.com. If you guys are not familiar with Binance, which is the biggest crypto exchange in the world, there's a link in the description. You guys can click on the link. It will take you to Binance.com. So it will take you to Binance.com. The first link in the description below, you can use that link to sign up, or I will put my referral code separately under the link. So you can use, if you have an account already, you can use my referral code for 20% off any transaction fees you have to pay. Okay, so whenever you buy or sell crypto, there's a transaction fee that you have to pay. And if you use my code, it will give you 20% off that transaction fees. Okay, now today the method we're going to use is called spot trading. Okay, there's multiple ways you can buy crypto or sell, but today's video is only going to be about spot trading, because whenever there's a new coin on some other platform, on some other website, chances are it's not going to have an option for you to buy through your credit card or PayPal or whatever third-party app, right? Because it's a new project, it's a new coin, it's not trading maybe against many pairs, it's only trading against Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you're gonna have to use spot trading, okay? But for Binance, you can simply just drag your mouse on top of crypto, buy crypto, and you can buy using credit card or debit card. Now, when you go to this option, you will see that there's only a limited number of coins. You cannot just buy any coin, okay? And that's because that's also one of the problems that you're gonna face. Not every coin you want to buy or sell, you can do that using credit card or debit card. So I mean, you have to come back to spot trading at some point or another. But if you can buy using credit card, debit card, go ahead. It's very easy, it's very fast. You have to pay a transaction fee, which you will get 20% off if you use my link or referral code. Having said that, so I'm not gonna buy any currency today using my credit card or debit card. Since we're gonna talk about spot trading, I'll just drag my mouse. So if you go over here on this Rubik's Cube looking icon, if you just keep your mouse over there, don't click, you can see this. The first option is exchange. You click on exchange and it will take you to this page. Now, if you keep your mouse over here to on trade, you can see convert. And this is the easiest way you can convert, right? If you have one currency, you can convert it to some other, right? So let's say I have Tether, which is the USDT. I can convert it to Bitcoin. This is as simple as that. But let's talk about spot trading. So spot trading is basically this, what you see right here, okay? And you see this spot and cross 3x and isolated 10x. You don't want to select these 3x and 10x because this involves margin. Okay, I don't want to talk about margin in this video, but I just want to you want to have spot selected, okay, over here, and make sure you are on buy. And let me tell you something else. You can select your pair from here, right? You can select BTC, USDT. You can search over here BTC. You can search all the other fiat equivalent currencies it's trading against. So if you wanna buy Bitcoin against some other currency, you can go over here. You can buy against Ethereum, you can buy against Tron, if I'm not wrong, this is Tron, right? Or you can buy against Ripple, which is XRP, or you can buy against BNB. It's up to you, okay? But if you want to use against the fiat related cryptocurrencies, you can do that over here. So I want to buy against the US dollar, USDT, which is Tether. If you go to coinmarket.com, you can see that Tether is a stable coin. Okay, for those of you who don't know what USDT and what stable coins are, USDT is basically the equivalent or supposed to be the equivalent of $1. So its price is always supposed to be at $1 or close to $1. So sometimes, like you can see, it's below $1 right now, or sometimes it's going to be a few cents above the $1. Okay, so a few cents may be lower or a few cents may be higher than $1. So it's always going to be close to $1. And so whenever I'm spot trading, I'm always using the USDT, okay, because it makes things simple. Or if I just want to exchange or sell my Ethereum or any other currency that I have, and it's trading against the currency that I want, I will just do that. But mostly, I always use USDT because it's $1, right? It's supposed to be $1. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin today against the USDT. And there's two ways I can do this, right? I can either, first of all, you want to have buy selected. You can either set a limit, like for example, you see this price option. This is basically this price, okay? This price over here on the chart. So let's say I want to set a limit. This is limit. I want to sell a limit at 50,000 US dollar. This is me basically saying I want to buy Bitcoin against USDT at 50,000. So when this price, which is currently at 50,200, when this drops to 50,000, my order is going to get filled, okay? And how many Bitcoins do I want? Over here, how many Bitcoins do I want? Now, you can either manually calculate it or you can just drag this to 100%, which is basically you are selling. Now, just like Forex, right? Let's say you are buying Euro USD. So you are buying Euro, but you're selling USD, okay? You're selling USD to receive Euro. Just like that, it's the same thing over here. BTC against USDT. You're selling USDT to buy BTC. So before I can do this exchange, I need to have $100. If I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin against USDT, I need to have $100 of USDT. If I want to buy $500 of Bitcoin against USDT, I want to have $500 of USDT because I'm going to give USDT and receive BTC. Okay, so I'm going to give Tether and I'm going to receive Bitcoin. If it's some other pair, like BTC Ethereum, so I want to sell $500 of Ethereum to receive $500 of Bitcoin. Okay, so please make sure you understand this. So this dragging option right here, it basically tells you how much you want to spend. So I want to spend 100% of my Ether wallet, which is $103.5. I want to spend all of it, 100% of that. So this is 100% of that, or I can just use 50%. So I'm going to spend $50. Okay. Out of $100, I'm only going to spend $50. Or I want to spend all of my 103.5 USDT and I want to buy Bitcoin. But I don't want to set a limit. Okay. Let's say I don't want to set a limit. I want to buy right now, which is the market price is at $50,300. Let's say I want to buy right now. So I will click on market. Now you can see at the price option, it doesn't say the price anymore. It says market. So it's basically saying whatever the market is at right now is where my order will be placed. As soon as I click on buy, it's going to go through. Okay, it's simultaneous. It's going to be like that. Spontaneous, it's gone. So again, how much do I want to spend? I want to spend all of my $103.5 to buy Bitcoin. As simple as that. So if I click on BTC right now, buy BTC, if I click on that, it's going to ask me to confirm my order. And if I click on confirm, you guys can see market buy order created. And then if I click on order history, you guys can see that it's gone through at this price. Okay, so this is $103.5. I spent $103.5 off my wallet and I received, I did the order at the market price and it was executed. And this is the amount that I received. Simple as that. Okay, you guys can see that these two orders were, before recording the video, I was making sure that Binance was working because sometimes whenever there's high volatility and there's a lot of orders going and coming through, usually Binance, the orders don't go through, right? Sometimes it's not working. So I was just making sure before recording the video. So again, if you click on order history, you guys can see that 103 of 0.5 tether from my tether wallet was spent, all of it. I received this amount of Bitcoin, which you can see over here, Bitcoin available. It shows over here the balance, and the order was executed. I received all of my Bitcoin, and this is the price that I bought. That I bought $100 of Bitcoin. Now, when I was recording a video earlier, of course, I had bought at a much lower price. I was in profit, but just for the sake of the video, it's only $100. So yeah, this is how you do it. Now, let's say you want to sell your Bitcoin and you want to receive US Tether. Okay, you want to receive Tether and you want to sell Bitcoin. You have Bitcoin, you want to sell Bitcoin, and you want to receive Tether in return, so you can use Tether to buy some other currency. So same thing, you will go to BTC against USDT and you will click on sell. It says sell over here. It will tell you what currency you want to buy, what currency you want to sell. It's just right here. So you click on sell against, again, I want to sell, let's say I bought at 50.4. Let's say I want to set a limit at 50.5. $50,500. So I want to sell $100 in profit so I can gain a little bit more of US Tether. And again, I want to spend 100% on my Bitcoin. Okay. You guys can see that all of my Bitcoin 0.002053 is shown over here when I drag this to 100%. And this is the amount of Tether that I will receive. It's telling me I will receive 103.67. So I bought at 103.5. I'm selling at 100. So it's like 20 cents in profit. Okay, almost. So that's it. And I will click on sell BTC. It'll ask me to confirm, and that's it. I will click on confirm, and I will have received my US Tether, or my Tether balance will go up and my BTC balance will go down. So it's as simple as that, guys. All you have to do, click on spot, click on buy or sell, and then it's up to you if you want to use limit, you want to set a limit, or if you want to use market. Now, if you are setting a limit, okay, it's gonna show you over here, open orders. When you click on buy and confirm, it will show your order over here, and it will tell you if it's filled. Filled is basically executed, done. Your order is filled, it's done, you have received your crypto. So this is where it will show you if it's filled or not. Okay, and that's it. It will be over here in open orders if you are setting a limit. If you're doing a transaction, buying or selling at market price, it's gonna show you in order history, and that's it. Simple as that, guys. Please let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I'll do more future videos on the other ways how you can buy and sell crypto, just for educational purposes, just like this video is for educational purposes. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please do not forget, link in the description. It'll take you to Binance.com. You will sign up and you will get 20% discount every time you buy and sell crypto. Okay, simple as that. And that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll see you guys either in my next video or my next live stream, which is gonna be exciting. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.